Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to know that how to reconcile bank account on QuickBooks, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply go to the transactions. After log into your QuickBooks, you can find the transaction section where at the left side navigation section. Now once you are on transaction, you can find the reconcile, or you can do is simply click on this gear icon here, and in the tools section you can find reconcile. If you click on it, you can find the reconciliation section where if you are new, then it will ask you to get started. So simply click on get started. Now once you have get started, so let's get reconcile, where you can find the bank registered. So first you have to register your bank. So which account do you want to reconcile? So you have to choose a bank from here. So any other bank from here, like I'm going to choose any other bank from here. Now here is the beginning balance and the ending balance from here, and the ending date. So you can follow a invoice to add all the details that it requires, like enter the service charge or interest earned if necessary. Now like I'm going to add like 100, and end date here I'm going to select end date here like this. Once I have added this, simply click on start reconciling. So once you have started, click on this reconciling, then it will just reconcile or match the amount with your bank account, where you can simply click on save for later or finish now. You can finish it now, or you can save for later, or you can close it without any saving this. So you can find all the data from here, and you can reconcile your inventory. Here is you can reconcile the asset with your bank details and the statement. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.